Hi, today I'm reviewing Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to link earning Google Assistant from power button on this device. So just if you want to use the Google Assistant from press and hold to the power key, you should first open the settings app and then scroll down to the system section. Then go to the gestures, click here to the press and hold power button and just tap on the switcher to activate this option. Hold for assistant the power key, and now let's check, and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. You can also here change the sensitivity, and just if you want to turn off this option you should click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.